In this video, we're going to show you how to remove a drum baffle in your dryer. So the first thing we'll do is take our lint filter out. And there's 2 screws right here that hold the top in place. We'll take those out. They're just a Phillips head screw. On some machines they may be a Robinson, or they may be like a 5/16 headed screw, but whatever type they are, just remove them. And now in this model, lift the top, there's 2 catches, one in either corner in the front. And you're just going to use a thin bladed putty knife to release them. You're just going to insert your putty knife between the top and the front panel. Just slide it over till you feel it come up against something. And that's where the catch is. So just take your putty knife, apply a little bit of pressure, press in and lift up, and it frees the latch. And we'll just do the same thing on the other side. So now with our latches in the front released, we're just going to lift this top and just let it lean backwards. So now that we have the top up, to remove our drum baffle, we're just going to want to remove the screws that hold it. On this one, it's just a 1/4 inch head that we need in order to remove those screws for the baffle. On yours, it may be 5/16 or a different type of head, but whatever type it has, just use the appropriate tool for it. So when we take our last screw out, we'll just open our door and just reach up inside to support that baffle so it doesn't fall down into the drum. Not the end of the world if it does, but if we can stop it from happening, why not? And we just take our drum baffle out, and that's how easy it is to remove a drum baffle in your dryer.